I solved it instantly by deleting one app. Hey, Ben Norman here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a really quick tip to help you speed up Final Cut Pro X. If you have been noticing that it has been lagging, you've been seeing that spinning wheel of death popping up more and more often, then you need to watch this video because it was happening for me on a brand new MacBook Pro and I solved it instantly by deleting one app. And if you want to know what that app is, I'm going to tell you. It was Google Chrome. Basically, through all of the issues I was having with Final Cut Pro, all of the lags, the spinning wheel of death on simple edits, I was in conversations with Apple and their Final Cut Pro people, and basically what we found out it was in the end was that Google Chrome was basically tying up a lot of the video rendering processes. It's quite a common issue with Google Chrome. You'll also notice when you're using Google Chrome, if you're doing video-y based stuff, you will notice the fans kicking in a lot, which is a telltale sign. So if you are using Google Chrome and you've been having issues with Final Cut Pro or generally just having issues, try getting rid of Google Chrome, try another browser such as Opera, which is the one that I'm now using because I can use all of the extensions that I was using within Chrome within Opera, and basically I've solved all of the lagging issues within Final Cut Pro just by deleting that one app. So I hope if you've been having lagging issues that helps you. Do let me know in the comments below whether this solved your Final Cut Pro X lagging issue or not. If you're new here, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.